Hello everyone, I'm Alexander and this is Mario, and we are a for-profit social enterprise, and we're working together to create a dignified life. This map over here shows the investment of infrastructure by world organizations across the globe. The Asia Development Bank invested $10.4 billion. The African Development Bank invested $4.1 billion, 5.4 in South America, in physical and social infrastructure across the globe. Cities around the world have grown exponentially and unprecedentedly. This is, for example, Lima in Peru, and like many other cities, residents have been left to live in the periphery of the city with little to no access to basic services. And like Lima and in Peru, China has also experienced an unprecedented growth. 51% of its population is living in urban areas, and this is, although this has been an improvement for some, this has been also a huge problem creating social and physical inequality. Not only in urban areas, but also displacing people from the rural areas. Like, for example, these kids over here, in rural areas, people leave their houses to move to the urban areas, leaving the children being raised by their grandparents. This has created some serious problems with the kids as well, sorry. And it's reported to be 60 million kids across China. And many of these homes lack one of the 5 basic services, and then across China we've identified is majorly education and healthcare, of course, and also water, electricity, and sanitation. And after the 2008 earthquake in Sichuan, this revealed how vulnerable these villages were. And many people got together, and several organizations from 2008 to 2012 created NGOs in order to help this movement, and it's been a 75% increase of social enterprises and NGOs, and from 2012 it's keep growing 10% every year. This is 500,000 social ventures across China. So what's keeping these organizations, these NGOs and social ventures, to expand their impact and be more efficient? Well, when we talk to these organizations, we've been told that what they're missing is a lack of coordination, is an inability to track their impact and report their work to their funders. And basically, there's no way to collect, it's very hard to collect data and assess their efficiency. So our platform, Kawsay, what we do is we identify where people are, what is it that they need, and we identify which organizations can help them satisfy those needs, and we basically connect the dots. And so instead of being in a one-way model of backing up by the local municipalities, we propose a platform that acts as a cloud of sharing best practices and knowledges, working collectively between organizations and between rural villages, and also is a way for the local municipalities to report their efficiency of their works in every single village. And like many cities, we mentioned Lima at the beginning, this is what the world sees of, for example, a map of Lima right now in Google, right? It's an idealized version of what a city kind of look like. But through our platform, in reality, the cities like Lima, and many cities across China are much more complex. Every dot here reveals one single household that doesn't really exist, for example, if you go to maps online. And this has been done through our platform, digital platform, through machine learning.
Thanks, Alexander. So the Kawsay platform has three major offerings. The first is geolocation and data management, so our customers can more effectively keep track of their existing customers. The second is optimization, so that they can provide their services more efficiently and more effectively. And the third is impact tracking, so that they can make a better case for the good work that they're doing on the ground, garner more support, and gain more money to keep doing their mission. We think that this is important and that the right data at the right time and the right scale can really have a positive impact on people's lives. So this is the Kawsay platform. A user can log in to a personalized dashboard and see information that's specific to their domain of interest. They can zoom in and see unparalleled, unprecedented detail about the customers that they hope to serve, and then also gain insight and some analytics to be able to more easily track information and advancements in the future. This is fed by data that's updated with dynamic models, ensuring that only the most up-to-date and relevant information is provided to customers. Kawsay provides our platform as a service, and we have different offerings at different price levels to ensure that different organizations of different sizes, from the village level up to the national level, can have an offering that suits their needs, whether it be for basic mapping or custom data acquisition and modeling services. We know that right now in China and across the world that there's a lot of organizations on the ground doing great work, and we think that the Kawsay platform can help expand their reach and reach more households that could really use their help. There's already a lot of organizations that are kind of in the mapping, data collection, risk management, and customer management spaces, but we know that Kawsay is the only one that's using these range of tools specifically to help bring services to those that are most in need. In that way, we think that we're really unique. And we really think that we're the people that are best suited to do this work. We're a team of architects, builders, planners, and data and social scientists with years of combined experience working in Latin America and East Africa. And we think that we're the right people, like I said, to do this work. We have a number of partners confirmed in Lima, Peru, where we're conducting our first pilot now. And we've gained support from the MIT incubator space, and we've had positive interactions so far with Tsinghua and the Leping Foundation. We're a software company, and we have a data-driven approach, but we believe that the data is only as useful as the value that it can create in helping improve people's lives. We're Kawsay, and we help to bring access to a dignified life. Thank you.
谢谢 Team Kawsay。